Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to star shared links on the WhatsApp app for PC using the brand new update. This quick and simple feature helps you save important links without scrolling endlessly through old chats. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version so you can access all the new features smoothly. Once the app opens, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a small media icon in the side menu. Go ahead and click on it. This section neatly organizes all the media you've shared or received through your chats, including photos, documents, videos, and links. Now, click on the tab labeled Links. This will display every link you've exchanged in your conversations. You can scroll through and easily find any website, article, or shared post without digging through messages manually. Next, look at the top of the window. You'll find a small select icon. Click it to turn on selection mode. From here, you can choose all the links you want to highlight or keep handy for later. Once you have made your selections, move your cursor to the top of the screen again. You'll see a star icon appear. Click on that star, and that's it. Your selected links are now starred. This means they'll be saved under your starred category, making them quick and easy to find next time you need them. This new feature is perfect for anyone who likes keeping their important content organized, whether it's a recipe link, work document, or your latest online shopping find. It saves time and keeps your digital space clean and efficient. And that's how you can star shared links on WhatsApp for PC using the latest update. Give it a try and see how much smoother your workflow becomes. Don't forget to check out your starred section to keep all your favorite links just one click away.